Hallo miteinander, da ist Textus 19. Ich begrüße euch zu Let's Play Half-Life 2. Ich fehle mich da so durch. Nein, so schlimm ist es nicht, aber ich check's einfach nicht, so wie jetzt. Und das ist cool so, so muss das Spiel auch sein. Okay, dort Manhacks. Es hat alles mögliche rum. Und unser Ziel ist die Silotüre schliessen. Zuerst mal dem Geschütz dort ausweichen. Irgendwie da durchkommen. Oh! Weg mit euch! Da kann ich gar nicht kumpen, willst du mich verarschen? Ich muss halt so. Gang weg! Hallo! So. Der nervt mich richtig, ich bin ja dran. Ich bin ja dran. Ich sehe gar nicht. Oh. Ja, das war ein bisschen falsch. Heilig, sehr wichtig. Da, Silotüre, raus. Ja, jetzt stresst es noch ein bisschen rein, schau. Nein, Leute, ihr bleibt schön draussen. Ciao, ciao. Da ist nicht euer Einweg. Weg rein. Eingang. So. Sehr schön. Hoi, hoi. Gib mir das. Back to work. Gut. Wo gehen wir her? Alex? Sanitäter? Ja, gell, ist gut. Ja. Back to work. Gehen wir wieder zurück. Was?
We couldn't get in till you sealed off the silo and the blast doors opened up.
Incredibly true.
I better let my dad know you're all right.
Was?
Dad?
Yes, Alex. Is everything okay? Is Gordon all right?
Yes, he's fine. And thanks to him, the base is secure.
Good.
Ha, dank mir.
Transmission from Judas.
We'll head right over.
Take this med kit.
Danke. Okay, wo müssen wir her?
Freeman must follow.
Freeman must follow. Why do you give order to me?
If you would take the Freeman from here, I can return to my place of honor at the side.
Sure thing. Thanks for the help.
Voll easy. Alex begleitet mich.
Dr. Klein told me that Judith headed north in a helicopter right after they got here. But he wouldn't tell me why.
Okay. Ladedaten. Sorry, ich muss das schnitzen. So üble Verkältung, mühsame Geschichte. Dr. Klein. Nein. Danke.
We'll need to take a close look at it, of course, but I should be able to give a better opinion within a few hours. If the site is where we think it is, then it should be no more than... I'm gonna cut this short. We may have been spotted.
Okay, die haben auch ein bisschen Ärger, hä?
Never have let her go.
No stopping. Wait a moment.
Wupp.
Something else here.
Jetzt habe ich etwas verpasst, leider.
It's the Borealis.
Was?
Good God.
incredible.
What? The Borealis? It's real?
Oh yes, quite real, despite its almost legendary stature.
Was ist denn das? Ein Schiff?
Engineers at Aperture Science were at work on a project of some promise. But in their rush to beat Black Mesa for funding, they must have compromised ordinary standards of risk. We heard their research vessel had simply disappeared, vanished, with all hands, and even part of the dry dock. Few believed the Borealis would ever be seen again.
It should have been lost forever.
Ah, but now that we've found it, we can use it against the Combine.
Okay.
Use it. That thing has to be destroyed.
But think of the advantage for humanity. We can't simply waste all that potential.
Also irgendein
Does it
Kriegsschiff.
cost you anything? There's no controlling that kind of power.
Well, yes. There's always a risk, Eli. But my goodness,
Der Wissenschaftler.
blueprints, hailing frequencies. Quite ingenious of Dr.
Oh,
Watson
man.
to hide it all in the carrier wave.
Well, that means she's still alive up there. But if the Combine catches, he'll tear out everything she knows.
Das wäre übel, wenn die Combine das Schiff überkämpft.
But we don't know for sure
I won't
that...
take that chance. I'm going after her.
Now, Eli, the only thing worse than Judith falling into their hands would be if they should get a hold of you. She
Direkt einen Abflug über.
Borealis, but you know everything about the resistance.
Listen to Dr. Kleiner, Dad. Gordon and I are more than able to handle this. We'll get her back.
Kleiner, where are you? Why isn't the decoding finished?
Oh, fine. The code. Yes, Magnesin. It just needs a little bit
If
longer.
you're waiting for the Combine's go-ahead, they'll soon be here to give it to you in person.
I'll hurry it along, Magnesin.
Der andere ist schon wieder am Zusammenschießen, weil er zu lang hat und er ist so ein Chiller.
Dad, are you okay?
Not again. No, I can't let it happen again. Not another Black Mesa.
Dad.
Not again. Nicht schon wieder,
we're
nicht schon
allowing for
wieder.
some consequences.
What did you say?
Dad!
Oh shit.
Okay. It's okay. Just lean into me. Let's get you off your feet.
Thank you, baby. I'll be fine in a minute or two.
Okay. Do you need
Chli
anything?
Alex.
Actually, Alex, would you mind getting me a cup of tea? There's a hot plate in the old staff room.
I'll be right back. Gordon, just keep an eye on him.
We're not going anywhere. Thank you, baby. The last time I heard those words was back at Black Mesa. You had just stepped into the test chamber when he whispered them in my ear. You know who I'm talking about. Our mutual friend.
Eben der Kleiner hat die gleichen Worte gesagt in Black Mesa, kurz bevor alles kaputt gegangen ist und explodiert ist. So von wegen, man kann sie ausprobieren und das ist ein minimales Risiko.
Now he's using my little girl, putting words in her mouth.
Jetzt benutzt er seine Tochter, weil seine Tochter sei auf der Seite vom Kleinen.
Damn reasons.
Also Moralvorstellungen nur wegen dem.
There's so much I need to tell you. Between us, we may finally have a chance of,
Here you go. Is everything all right?
there's nothing, honey.
All right, people, change of plans. There is no way we can launch before those
Nervs.
striders are... Oh, excuse me if I'm interrupting tea time. I'll just step out until you've finished, if that's more convenient.
Entschuldigung, wenn ich
Freeman,
Teezeit
I
störe.
believe I found the perfect use for you. Follow me.
Wer bist du überhaupt? Sorry. Dr. Magnesin.
Freeman, striders are coming. A single one of those damn things could shoot down our rocket. You don't dare launch until all striders are destroyed. Now, you've proved yourself capable, and the staff seem to respect you. Therefore, I'm putting defense of White Forest,
Bis.
this ingenious new weapon of mine, in your hands. We call it the Magnesin-Device.
Magnesin-Devises.
chosen label, you understand, but it seemed to please the personnel.
Okay.
Lively in there. Warm up the delivery port. What it is a sort of sticky bomb, although cleverer than that makes it sound. From your point of view, you merely pitch the device at the Strider's hull, then blow it up.
Okay.
I've struggled with a mechanism for launching the device.
Also, es sind klebrige Bomben,
Your zero-point energy field manipulator clears up that little problem.
wo ich
Follow
so
me,
die
we'll
Striders
let you do
her
some practice.
schiessen und dann kaputt schiessen.
Don't be alarmed. This Strider's days of impaling your friends are a thing of the past. Now, out in the field, we'll supply you with all the Magnesin-Devices you need through delivery ports like this one.
Teleporter haben sie schon weit entwickelt. He? So tun sie mich auf dem Feld dann beliefern.
That's right. Now toss it at the main body of the Strider.
Bam.
Now, take out the firearm of your choice and shoot the device. There you go.
Bam.
Not too difficult at this range, is it? It's a bit harder when it's moving about and firing at you.
Ja.
Now, let's move on to a more challenging task. Uriah, send the target to the far end of the rail.
Okay. Ja, das wird dann trickier, ja.
Try it now.
Ja, knapp oben drüber.
A bit more challenging at this range, isn't it?
Gimmes! Gesehen.
Magnificent device, isn't it? I'll be right over here when you are ready to head up.
Okay. Ja, ich denke, das sollte klappen.
Had enough? Your car is fueled.
Ach komm, üben wir noch ein bisschen.
Building in the valley has its own dispenser port, so we have ample supply of explosives. Now
Die Teile müssen einfach schneller sein.
I'm relying on you not to squander my trust or my medicine. And Freeman,
Ja, ja, das
pull
geht
this
schon.
off. I might just forgive you for that debacle at Black Mesa. You know the one I mean, involving a certain microwave
Bist du ein Black Mesa gewesen? Ich weiss es gar nicht, wer du bist, Mann. 6652, ich hab's gesehen. Ha! Yay! Car. Sully. Und Rockets natürlich. Und Ladedaten. Sully, alter Freund. So wie ich gesehen habe, hat es hinten an dem Auto auch so eine Kugel. So. Wir sagen, hier geht's los. Sawmill Base, you are here. Okay.
Taking a few liberties with your car. Check it out. I added a rack for Magnesin-Devises back here.
Alright, genial.
I tweaked your onboard radar so the Combines show up red on the dashboard unit now. Plus, it'll send a homing signal to your HEV suit in case you get separated from your car. No
Alright,
need to thank me.
danke.
Now check this map. We're right here at the south end of the valley. The rest of the gang's up north by the old sawmill
Okay.
here. Head on up there, and they'll fill you in on the battle plan. I'll be staying here to watch the field and send status updates.
Gut, also der Krieg geht los. Aber erst im nächsten Part. Bis dann, Leute. Peace!